in every second and in every minute, right? Going through your financial, some of you might be a finance faculty from accounting and commerce. Millions and millions of financial transactions we use today on a daily basis, right? हर second में हम stock को purchase कर रहे हैं, हर second में we are selling a stock as well, right? And from that analogy, think that you want to create one strategy which is good enough. Once you are entering into the stock world and you are placing your money over there, you are going for an algo trading and you are making one algo trade, right? So you are living in big data era as well, where data is abundant. The condition is whether you have an access or not. Whether you have an access or not. You do not have an access for each and everything. अभी आप Twitter से कहिए कि I need all the data. नहीं, they will give you an API, but for the limited access only. If you want to get our data from the Instagram, they will give you data, but for the limited study only. That is for the research purpose only, right? They use, because these are the social data. Social data are not easily available. Otherwise, what will happen? वो आपकी privacy breach हो जाएगा. So even for the financial data, if you are working for the financial data, there is a concept of privacy, right? So finance privacy will be breached, so they are not going to give you the entire data. But yes, see, the millions and billions of data are generating nowadays, and you are in this particular area where you have to work on these research problems. Now the research problem is not limited only for the 300 or 400 data sets only. What I want to make a point. Now you have to think in, because we are coming up with these children, जहाँ पे ये बच्चे जो आ रहे हैं, ये they are not saying that sir I have a data points of only 400. मैंने सिर्फ 400 क्वेश्चन भरा लिया और मेरा काम हो गया. Right? And even though if you, to be very honest, if you forward these 400 questionnaires to 400 people, none is going to fill up. ठीक है, आपको 10 बार follow up करना पड़ता है. Sir, please send this. I have given you that particular questionnaire. Please fill. And at the end of the day, we know how we used to generate the data. ठीक है, वो fudging बाद में आप सब करते हैं. We used to fudge the data and we used to manipulate the data to meet our requirement, which is there with our model. Right? We used to meet with that particular model. Reverse engineering सभी करते हैं फिर बाद में जाकर, because we do not get the actual data. Right?
Reminders से काम नहीं आता.
नहीं आता है. आप उनको मतलब you provide them some benefits as well. कि कर दो, मैं तुम्हें एक मूवी दिखाऊंगा, चॉकलेट दूंगा, तब भी वो नहीं करते. तब भी नहीं करते वो. Right? So we are living into that particular era where people do not do anything with मतलब these types of things. At least where the time is there, the time has to be consumed even for the 5 minutes only.
Even sir, अगर आप तो वो कर भी देंगे good books के लिए, तो फिर वो उसको उतना कोई interest दिखाता है, वो randomly 5 4 and 4 और 3 each and everything, and वो और data खराब
और data आपका puzzled up हो जाता है. So that is a major challenge. And see, where the source of the data is over here, we can play with this particular data. We can get this particular data, right? What type of अच्छा क्या आप सोच रहे हो कि आपके डेटा को यूज नहीं करा जा रहा है? What type of reels you are liking, or you are giving a 5 second to 6 second of pause. Algo used to generate likes of your, and they used to present and design such type of reels only for you, right? वो वही तरीके के आपके पास ऐड आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. आपने अगर चेक करा होगा, आप 3 से 4 seconds अगर आपने किसी एक रील पे स्टॉप करा, that type of a reel is coming up to you, right? That is the research which is going on behind the work, where people are understanding what are your likes, what are your dislikes, where you are paying the attention, where you are not paying the attention, which party you are liking, which party you are not liking, right? Even my father used to ask me, आजकल पापा बेटा ये घुटने के पैर में उनका थोड़ा सा दर्द रहता है, तो ये बहुत ऐड आ रहा है इसका और पब्लिक की ओपिनियन बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. तो पापा आप इस ऐड को 2 सेकंड के लिए देखना बंद कर दो, आपको ये ऐड ही नहीं आएगा, फिर उसके बाद कुछ और आना शुरू हो जाएगा. It is popping up just because of the reason you are watching that particular ad. If you stop that particular ad for a few seconds, flip that particular ad, और you will keep on scrolling, वो कुछ समय बाद वो ऐड आने बंद हो जाएंगे पापा. तो फिर उनको समझ में आया कि हाँ ये एल्गोरिथम है जो उनको जनरेट करके सारे डेटा वही बार बार दिखा रहा है और उसके पॉजिटिव व्यूज दिखा रहा है. So that is the era we are living into. So you cannot think of a research problem which is confined for 400 or 500 data sets only, right? Now coming to the fourth era where the AI and all these AI tools are there. Now we will start using these tools for today, right? We will start using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Caploid, Site, semantic scholar, research, Rabbit and connected papers. I will try my best to maximum give you overview of each and everything, whichever are free for us. Whichever are free for us, क्योंकि मैंने भी paid नहीं करा है. I am thinking about to purchase now this particular cloth because it is working fine for me. But yes, नहीं, don't get into the recommendations of any person. मैंने आपसे पहले ही कहा था. My starting words was कि go and try each and every tool, whichever suits your objective. Start using that particular. आप फ्लिप करते रहिएगा, मतलब एक महीने आप किसी को यूज करिए, एक महीने किसी और को पेड वर्जन यूज करिए. Keep on flipping so that you come to know what are the good things about of that particular tool or which is free in the or some other tool are there, right? So we will use these things. And the fifth era is human AI with AI collaboration. So we have to work in this particular era now. We cannot go with this particular only a simple era. Now. This we have already covered. Now coming to the research problem. Identifying a research problem, we will just move on a complete roadmap. और इसके बाद फटाफट हम AI tool से करना शुरू करते हैं, right? Coming first, identifying a research problem. पहले traditional approach मैंने आपको बता दिया था कैसे करते थे. Nowadays, if you want to go and identify a research problem, we will look into it through AI tools only. We'll look into through it AI tools only, right? And how to do, I will just make you understand कि कैसे हम उसको use करेंगे और अपनी research problems को और अपना research papers को जो हमें बनाना है, whatever the type of paper we are looking into it, what sort of a paper we are focusing into it, we will try to jot down that particular problem and we will look and start working on it. Even these tools will make you understand whether that particular research problem, whichever you are thinking, is good enough or not. Right? Is good enough or not? वो भी हम यहाँ पर से check करेंगे. So first step was to identify the research problem. Now second step क्या होता है हमारा? Literature review. And I have just now came to know through ma'am only that you have worked on the LR portion. Although the literature was little bit restricted. Right? So we will go with the literature review and we will work on Research Rabbit and other tools as well. Right? तो अभी हम थोड़ा सा चेक करेंगे Research Rabbit को भी, LSH को भी चेक करेंगे. We will work on these tools. Right? Then we will go with the hypothesis and conceptual framework. We will work on these tools as well. And then we will go with the research design, data collection. Now, going with the data collection. हमने एक तो हमारे पास मेथड था क्वेश्चनएयर का. क्वेश्चनएयर के थ्रू ही हम डेटा कलेक्शन करते थे. अगर हमें ऑनलाइन डेटा कलेक्शन करना है तो दैट इज क्वेश्चनएयर की तो हम ऐसे ही करते हैं गूगल फॉर्म के थ्रू. हम आज के डेट में मतलब आई हैवंट सीन, मैंने दिए थे एक बार हार्ड कॉपी में क्वेश्चनएयर. वो भी माय टॉपिक सर ने भी बताया था कि माय टॉपिक ऑफ द रिसर्च वाज टैक्सेशन एंड इन दैट टैक्सेशन आई हैव अ टॉपिक ऑफ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टैक्स हॉलिडेज एग्जम्पशन इन टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सेक्टर. Right, with special reference to Uttarakhand, I have completed my research PhD from Uttarakhand University, Rajkumar University, basically from Uttarakhand, and that particular university. उस समय I have taken few printouts which I have to send to the people and I have collected data in a physical format only. People do not fill your form. You have to go and request, and you have to fill by yourself, asking their responses. That I have done in physical format as well. Right? Again, I'm talking about my age group, जहाँ पर ये I'm talking about industry. Research 2.0, 1.0 to 2.0. Nowadays, no, अगर आप आज की डेट में किसी बच्चे से बोलेंगे कि go and collect 400 sample size and collect the data set, unless and until he is a paid research associate with you, he will never go with. And even though if he is a paid, he will go outside, fill by himself, and come back to you with that particular research. Right? वो खुद ही भर के ले आएगा. He will never visit to the physically to the ground. Right? So now what we used to do, we used to go and collect the data with the online data collection points as well. Right? There are many tools where you can collect your qualitative data or quantitative data online, where you will have to just take a payment and you do the payment and people are there on your research problem. They will generate the data, they will put up the data, and entire data set will be there for you. And it takes only half an hour or 1 hour or so, and entire data set will be available for you. right? Although what we will do, we will try our best to collect these data through some API tools as well, and we'll try our best to collect these data through other tools as well. Then data storage is there, data cleaning. Again, we used to check, clean our data. Now, I'm entering into your research era only, and complete process एक बार देख लेते हैं step by step, and what used to happen and what we used to do, and we will apply the today's tool. हम AI tools के through cover करेंगे सारी. Then major problems क्या होती थी? Missing values होती हैं, there are duplicates. I'm not going into such details of it because we all understand how these things are there. Outliers and incomplete electric formats are there, so we have to complete these things as well. Okay. Then data analysis, spreadsheets are there, Excels को हम use करते थे. Now we will do that entire analysis through AI tools. Then visualization of the data. अच्छा, if you are talking about मतलब if you are discussing your data, again जो मैंने आपसे कहा ना शुरुआत में बोला कि entire your PhD कहिए या आपका research paper कहिए, it's a entire journey where you used to tell you used to speak about your points through some story only. आप बताते ही वैसे ही है कि स्टोरी के थ्रू ही शुरू करें, राइट? एंड दैट स्टोरी शुड हैव बीन अ गुड इनफ टू मेक एवरी पर्सन ग्लूड टू देयर सीट्स, राइट? अदरवाइज पीपल क्या कर जाते हैं, मूवी छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. होता नहीं होता है? आप कॉन्सर्ट में भी अगर देखते हो, अगर आपको ट्रेलर और ट्रिगर समझ में आता है, टीजर समझ में आता है, तभी आप मूवी देखने जाते हो. अदरवाइज आप मूवी भी देखने नहीं जाते हो. वो 30 सेकंड्स का ही होता है, 30 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes. That is more than enough to think that whether we have to watch this movie or not, we have to spend 1000 rupees or not. Same with this particular thing as well. अब मतलब हम उस स्टेज में आ गए कि टीचर्स को टीचर्स नहीं रहना पड़ेगा, टीचर्स को भी कमर्शियल पर्सन होना पड़ेगा. We have to act in our story. Otherwise, students are not ready to listen us. You have to do drama in your classroom. Literally, you have to dance, you have to speak, you have to sing, you have to do entire drama. Then only the students are for. And see, you are just 70 to 60 or 40 or 50 people who are sitting over here with an intention to learn something. But think about a 60 or 70 class. बल्कि national में था मैं तो 100 and 120 students की class की strength, और वहाँ पे attention grab करना for a 1 hour session, it's a challenge task. It's not that easy. Right, where the students are of just tender age, 16-17 years के बच्चे हैं, वो उनको आपको 1 घंटा संभाल के बैठाना है, it's a difficult task, right? So that's why I'm letting you that the role of the teacher has completely changed, right? Now nobody is here कि जब सर थे क्लास लेते थे या मैम पहले जब क्लास लेते थे तो एक वो रहता था कि टीचर आगे वो खड़े हैं, वो जो बोल रहे हैं हम नोट्स बना रहे हैं और हम पढ़ते जा रहे हैं, राइट? वो एरा खत्म हो गया, वो एरा खत्म हो गया. हम आए इसीलिए क्योंकि तुमने मजबूरी रखी भी 85% अटेंडेंस की, ठीक है? हमें तुम्हारी सूरत और तुम्हें हमारी सूरत देखने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं. just give us attendance, just give us attendance. We are happy, we will sit in our home, give us an online, take our class online. We are very much happy. We do not visit it. Just give us. अच्छा, वो भी जब तक during the classes, at the last of the bring of the classes, what will happen? They will say कि सर notes दे दीजिए, right? Notes दे दीजिए. And notes भी नहीं मांगते. अब तो वो कहते हैं कि सर PPT दे दीजिए. And that PPT is only the reference point. उस PPT में मतलब you being a person, nobody can use other person's PPT. To be very frank, मैं आपको ये सारी PPT आज मैम के साथ भी शेयर कर दूंगा. मैम भी most probably आपके साथ शेयर कर देंगी. तो nothing has to be clicked, ऐसा कुछ click करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I will provide all my PPT. The point over here, which I want to make a point is कि मेरी PPT में मैंने एक कहानी बनाई है जो सिर्फ मैं समझता हूँ. ठीक है, कहाँ से मुझे क्या चीज पढ़ाना है, कहाँ पे मुझे क्या चीज छोड़नी है, right? That you cannot use that PPT. हाँ, you can visit, you can recap, but you cannot use that particular PPT. But the students, think about that student, and you are all, you see, teachers, you can understand even if a word is there. But how about the student who does not know anything about that particular, and he or she is referring that particular my PPT कि सर आप PPT दे देना, बाकी आप कुछ भी करते रहो क्लास में, हमें ना छेड़ो और हमें वो कहते हैं आप हमें ना छेड़ो हम आपको नहीं छेड़ रहे, राइट? And in fact, let me make you more understand by the people who are teaching in the private universities as well. It comes with your feedback mechanism. At the end of the day, your HOD is going to call you. Your feedback is not getting good. You have to improve your class presentation. Whatever, she also know or he also know what type of a crowd we are having, right? Then too we try our best to engage our students, right? Now, earlier what used to happen, in fact you will also recognize this thing. Earlier used to happen, हमसे पूछा जाता था in any interview we used to check कि we used to check कि how a person is good in